Your sister. First time she's on her tummy time. Her and brother. Be careful with her. She's having a hard time trying to keep her head up, Bubba. Look, do you like her? Caleb's showing her the toys. Okay, go show her a toy. It's going to wear her out really fast.
Look.
Are you doing your head like sister? Do it. Do your head like sister. How did... There's sister. Sister will be 7 weeks this week. She loves watching Caleb play. How does sister's head bob? How does she do her head? Would she kiss you? Tell her you love her.
I love you, Taylor.
Can you give her kisses? Oh, she smiled at you.
Egg. Egg. Look.
I see her. She's eating her hand, huh?
Elbow.
Someday she's going to talk to you. What do you think she's going to say? What is she going to say to you when she talks to you? She's going to say, "Hi, brother." Uh-oh, she's going to bite your finger. She's going to bite it.
Okay.
You love your sister, don't you? Give her good kisses. Wow, that's very good, brother. Okay, I think she's probably ready to go night-night.
Away, go night-night.
Say night-night.
No, night-night.
You don't want her to go night-night? Why not? You like playing with her?
Play with her.